We have New Year approaching and having it on the nose. So today we're gonna talk about what kind of a year 2024 was, and it's gonna be the most subjective review. I will tell you what was the most important for me. If you're interested in that, go smash a like, subscribe button. Sit down, take a tea, and we're gonna go through this together. If you don't care about that, no problem. Skip the video, go watch some, TikTok or whatever. It doesn't matter. So today we're gonna talk about subjective sum up of 2024. For me, this was amazing year. This is the best year in my career. I'm so happy. Like 2024, mwah, the best. I don't know how it played out for you, but for me, it all started like really since March Bitcoin growth, and after that we had like a small bull run in April, and then it's kind of like when it's like it's deep winter. Let's say, imagine like minus 50, and you're somewhere in the wilderness. You have your car, and then you're trying to turn it up, but the ignition is not going through. And then that was like basically my first 2 months. And then in March something happened, and the ignition happened, and the car started running. And then April, May, and the whole summer and the fall, it was amazing. It was a very, very good year. I noticed for me that pump.fun was very popular, and a lot of people were, day trading and memeing and pepping and, degenning and whatever on pump.fun, which was, a big milestone of what 2024 was, together with the meme coins. Meme coins really made the whole game. Solana and Ton ecosystem growth, you cannot go over that. Solana especially, so many projects coming to Solana, so many projects building on Solana, token growing like crazy. I don't know what they're doing, but it seems interesting, together with the Telegram. So Telegram started doing this thing with wallet and with names and with this and with that and with mini apps and with bots. But we're still on the zone where you need to tap and then you're gonna get some rewards, which is like, it's a basic surface level. I hope that it evolves into something and Telegram really becomes like, one crypto hub, because it has the potential. It has the users, it has this messaging ability, and it has this crypto wallet ability infrastructure built out. So, why not go and build something that's going to be useful? I think the main thing is that there is not a lot of Web3 use cases for B2C that are going to be useful for people, but that's another story. Maybe 2025 will bring us something, maybe not, I don't know. Next one is going to be events. So this is again something that I understood for like 100%. If you are in Web3, you work in BD and you do not go to events, you basically like taking a gun and then shooting yourself in the knee of your choice, right or left. That's basically what you're doing, because events are not there for you to go and relax and have some good time and go some drinks and partying and all this stuff. Events are there for you that you go and in 1 week you achieve enough amount of pipeline and work as you would do in 1 month. That's basically it. You go there, you work like crazy, and you earn as crazy. Like, you earn a lot of money from events, because if you go on an event and you meet right people and you make a deal happen and you shake hands, that's basically it. That's why events are existing. You go there to facilitate things, to smoothen up things. It's like events are like oil for your engine, and the engine is the whole career in Web3BD. Go there, meet new friends, close deals, form long-term relationships, and have fun. That's the main thing that events are presenting to you. Now we're in a post-election growth. Like, Trump is not the president yet. We're still waiting for the 20th of January if that thing is really gonna happen. But it doesn't matter. The growth, the markets, everything is going and booming, and economy is growing, and everything seems to be good so far. Crypto market is doing good. Bitcoin hasn't broken like 100K yet. Again, I'm recording this in December 1st. Maybe a lot of stuff happened. Maybe like Bitcoin is already zero, or maybe it's 1 million. I don't know. But that's kind of the industry that we're living in. And the last one, and the seventh main thing that I learned this year, is that selling a must-have is so fun. Because when you're selling something that no one needs, if you're selling shit, it doesn't matter. Like, it doesn't matter. Like, if you're God in sales, you're gonna struggle selling. But if you sell something that everyone needs, it's so fun to do it, because no one can tell you that the thing that you have is not valuable. Everybody, like, not everyone will buy, and everybody, like, those that do not buy, they will have the reason, and it may seem that it's a good reason, but it doesn't matter. When you're selling a must-have, It's so much fun to go and have those conversations with your buyers. And I hope that the product or the service or the offer that you currently have in your organization is something that people really and truly need. Not just like, fictionally that your founder thinks that is going to be good for everyone, but like your reality is telling you that no one is buying that. Unfortunately, that's the reality for a lot of startups in Web3, because startups is only about that, like doing an experiment and seeing if that's gonna work. But working for someone who, like, let's say working for a product and selling a product that people really need, that's the best. That's the best part that you can think about. So I hope that you find that in your life as well. It was a pleasure for 2024. It was a crazy year. And I think that 2025 is gonna be next level in terms of everything. So it was a pleasure to having you on the channel. Smash like, subscribe button if you haven't yet. If you already have, please send this to one of your friends, colleagues, to anyone else. Whenever somebody is you sending this video to a friend, like, something good happens in the world. I can tell you, my heart at least starts beating a little bit happier. So thank you so much for your support. See you in 2025. Bye.